Hey guys, so episode 7. Thank you guys for comments on my last video because I've been fucking confused. I'll openly admit I've been very fucking confused. So, Thomas is the actor's name who plays the boy. Is actually Fern's son. Fern gave birth to him because at the end of the 3rd season. Ignore the hair. The end of the 3rd season, someone pointed out, very kindly, thank you very much, that Fern was pregnant. Because he was the age he is, it confused the shit out of me because it skipped so many years. Yet, it's odd. It feels like it's obviously skipped some years because he's the age he is now. But everything else seems to be like on this, like hasn't. Like with the other couple and everyone else. I don't know, it just doesn't feel like years have passed with everyone else or even the girls. The only way we see that the years have passed is because he's the age he is. So that's why I was fucking confused. I have Toddy Tot. Willow is having a mad five, so you may hear her meowing. I do apologise for that. Also, what someone else pointed out was these dark scenes that we're seeing are actually in the future, not the past. So the rest of it, or the present, and everything else is we're seeing of the past. Now that someone's pointed that out, that makes so much more fucking sense. But why did they not make that clear? Or have I just completely fucking missed something? Hence why I'm confused. I don't know. I just work here, okay? So on that note, please like, comment and subscribe if you want to. If you don't want to, that's fine. Let's just get to the video. Hold up, hold your horses and turn the fuck down. Why is Fern upset? They're both really upset. Why are they both upset? Give me fucking answers. I wonder if Natalie actually paints in real life. I get the impression that she does. Because she's very creative. Let me just turn it down a little bit more. Yeah, don't get the painting. Don't get the painting. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I tried to change it all. But look at us now. Could have gone so far. You got it right in the eyes. That's one way to cause a full meltdown, is getting a kid in the eyes. This is cute. Who's standing off to the right in their underwear? There's someone in the trees. Who the fuck's that? And how have you not ran out of water? It's only a tiny little thing. Okay, so there was a bloke there, and now he's hidden himself. I don't think he was meant to be visible. Like, these characters, to me, they, a couple of years, what, how old is he? 3, 4. These, no, it'll be longer than that. Like, because, you know, she's got to go through the whole pregnancy. So what, 4.5 years, 3.5 years? I can't see that amount of time with the rest of the characters. I don't see it. I don't see it at all.
Muito gostoso, né?
Muito bom.
Eu tenho certeza que...
And this possessive asshole. Oh, this guy needs a good smack to the face. Or the family jewels. Family jewels sounds better.
Que não é só isso que ele quer que você experimente.
Você não tem vergonha de dizer isso, não? Macho escroto.
Ai, Diana, sua opinião importa muito, né? Você fala isso de todos os homens.
Existem exceções.
É, tipo...
Tipo o Daniel.
He is a scumbag.
O que você tá fazendo aqui?
Fazendo nada.
Aconteceu alguma coisa?
Não.
Yeah, you let someone feed you cake.
Não aconteceu nada, nunca acontece nada. É sempre sem querer, é sempre desculpa. É sempre o meu jeito, o teu jeito. Cansado disso.
Me fala o que aconteceu.
Eu não quero falar agora.
Mate, you're tired of this bullshit? We're all tired of this bullshit. You're an insecure little fucking boy. That's the problem.
Tá.
You're not mature enough to realise you're the problem. And also, Missy's farted, and she's literally laying behind me, so thanks for that. Thanks for that. I really appreciate that. No. No, it's Willow. Willow's took a shit. Just what I need. And this is another person that needs to fuck off. Like, just get your own life. Yeah, definitely Willow. She's having a mad 5.
Fê, eu não tô muito bem. Você pode me encontrar hoje?
Nah. She's trying to get around her little finger. She's being a twisty little twat. Please fuck off. Please just fuck off. What are you doing? What are you doing? You haven't just ruined my rug. And also, this vacation's gone on for a long fucking time. It's like,
Eu contei tudo pra Fernanda.
does no one work? Does no one literally work?
Ai, que bom. Fiquei feliz. Dá um alívio, né?
Sim. E eu queria te agradecer também pelo jeito que você cuida dela.
Não precisa agradecer.
A psicóloga.
Diana, eu achei que você tinha saído.
Relaxa que ela já sabe.
Então vou aproveitar e pedir pra você ficar com o Tomás, pode ser?
Nossa, que abusada.
Eu fico.
Até pedir pro Caio, mas você sabe como é que ele é, né?
Uh-huh.
Eu só vou terminar meu café, aí vou lá ficar com ele.
Tá bom, obrigada,
Come on.
Diana.
Your butt just purposely covers the subtitles. Wait,
Cadê
stop.
Feiju?
Elas deram uma saída. Por quê?
Tô achando a Fê muito estranha ultimamente. Tá sabendo de alguma coisa?
Não.
Yeah, she knows. It's none of your business, mate, until they tell you. Oh, this twat. I'm sorry. Every time this hit, I just see his face, and he's got that stroppy little look on his face. My face goes... my whole brain just goes, fuck off. Ha, excuse me, madam. Excuse me. Did you just try and bite me? It's a good job you don't have any teeth, isn't it? Fucking cats. Who wants them? Who wants them? Huh? One. Fuck off.
Amor, a gente pode conversar agora? Cara, me fala, por favor, o que eu fiz de errado? Fala alguma coisa.
Isso é sério? Você sabe que eu odeio o Daniel. A sua amiga fala o que falou pra mim, você não faz nada e você não sabe o que aconteceu.
Eu ia te defender. Eu ia falar, mas aconteceu tão rápido que eu não tive reação. Desculpa.
Tô cansado.
Yeah, but what's to stop you, mate, from just standing up for yourself? Your partner does not need to stand up for you 24/7. It's not their fucking job.
Cansado dessas suas desculpas, desse seu sem querer, essas suas atitudes. Já conversei tantas vezes com você. Pra mim, chega, sabe?
He's just one toxic motherfucker. Just dump his ass.
Amor,
Dump his ass.
eu só quero ficar bem com você. Desculpa.
Para!
Out the door, mate. Out the door. Don't let your bag hit you in the ass. Like she's doing absolutely nothing wrong, but his little brain. Sorry, people like that just piss me right off. Piss me right off.
Ju, por que a gente não conseguia conversar?
Eu acho que a gente foi entrando no automático. Não parava pra resolver nada. E aí, correria do dia a dia, relacionamento fica pra depois. E depois.
Desculpa por estar sempre brigando à toa.
Não é culpa sua, né? Eu tenho minha parcela também. Então, desculpa.
But she's still wearing the wedding
Por que você não
ring.
me contou da sua doença?
Eu achei que eu ia conseguir enfrentar sozinha. Eu tava com medo, não tinha coragem, não sabia o que ia acontecer.
Understandable.
Eu sinto muito por não ter percebido isso.
Imagina.
Ju, independente da gente estar num relacionamento ou não, eu tenho um carinho e uma admiração gigantesca por você.
Eu também, Fê.
Eu te amo.
Eu também te amo.
Posso te dar um abraço?
Pode.
You want to do more than that? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, mate, piss off. Go away. That's just creepy. Or I blatantly close the door.
O que tá acontecendo aqui?
Okay, see, that makes sense now that it's in the future. Now that you've said that, thank you. My brain has now caught on. I'm not the smartest bulb. Because she's going to have another psychotic episode where she gets obsessive. See, look, you can already see it. So she's gonna be the one that's caused the crash because she's had another psychotic episode because she's not getting right help. She's having a moment. She's having a moment of... Because the blatant look at her own breasts. Because the lumps, what if I have to get my breasts removed? It's that kind... She's going through that mindset. And then what if it's cancer? Do I have to then lose... You know, it's such a shit situation.
Você é linda, sabia?
Eu tô com medo.
Anyone would be in your situation?
Eu preciso falar com você.
Diana, agora não, tá?
Vai lá, deve ser importante.
É urgente.
Fucking cats. Oh, she's shown up. Oh, fuck off.
O que você tá fazendo na minha casa?
Você falou que ia me encontrar.
Wait, that's her house? Is it a... I solved one confusion to then be confused at something else. So... I thought it was they were on vacation somewhere. I'm fucking confused. Someone please put me in the right. Are they or are they not on vacation?
Com a Ju.
Eu falo pra você que eu tô mal e você deixa de me encontrar por causa disso?
Paula.
Pablo, I don't mean to burst your little bubble, but you're not that fucking important, okay? You're not that important.
Eu amo a Juliana. Não vou ficar te explicando toda vez isso.
Sei, desculpa. Eu não quis te controlar. Mas é que eu não tô muito bem, você pode me levar pra casa?
No, fuck off. No, fuck off. You're not... Sorry, you're not feeling well, yet you took the time... Oh, I'm gonna strangle this bitch. You took the time to walk all the way there, and then you want her to take you home. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is what I have to deal with, you know, on a daily basis. She goes for a poo, and oh my god, she has the maddest five ever. She's just running around like a nutter. Look, I've had a poo. I'm lighter. I can now run around.
Cadê o Thiago?
Deixa pra lá. Eu não quis te incomodar.
But you did bother her.
Paula. Tá. Eu vou, Paula.
I hate manipulative
Tudo
little
bem.
people.
Ela nunca vai mudar, Fernanda. Para de tentar.
Desculpa, Ju.
Tá tudo bem? Fernanda, cadê o nosso filho?
Pablo, no. That's a good message. That's a very good message. Pablo didn't take him. I swear the flash forward I saw, it was Deanna looking after him, not Pablo. So I'm confused by that line. Oh, well, no, I'm not really, because you've got a crazy bitch in your house and she's all being... Of course, the first thing you're going to think is, fuck, where's my son? I need to get my son away from this nutter. We're moving in the right direction. Now that I'm not so confused, it's a lot better. It makes more sense, but I'm still confused. Are they on vacation or not? Please, someone help an idiot out. Yeah. So we've got 3 more episodes. So we've got 3 more episodes to build up the bullshit. And what Daniel was saying about Lucy is better now. I'm assuming something finally happens because Lucy and what's-his-face, the dickhead, I'm assuming the dickhead does something. Because we're building up to that. We're building up to him just doing something. So, on that note, thank you for watching. If you got this far, I do really appreciate it. If you skipped, I don't, you know, you do you. And yeah, I shall see you fuckers for the next one.